This weekend, Richie will be checking out a few parties at Best Weekend Ever. So to get us in the mood, we look back at the 2022 staging of Jamaica Beach.
You think as Simon say, right now at Jamaica Beach, Intense Night Streets, watch her now.
Y'all me a touch you tonight. Me love how your bumper back up for the bike. Your body pretty girl, me love for your type. Touch you to 6:30 me more.
That show tonight?
Absolutely.
Oh, Jamaica Beach, talk to me. It's a vibe, man.
Your bubble come in me arm, me give you up.
Like how Jamaica Beach vibes are rubbish, you know, a mad vibe. Beautiful ladies.
Sauce boss himself, what you say?
Anything me say, the people them saying, sauce is forever.
Vibes is nice.
You don't know some beat, you say, oh.
Man, the vibe mad, man, I lie, the ladies them come on. Jamaica Beach, what you say? Right now, the man in charge himself, Ziminic. Zimmy, what going on now, fam?
There, man, how you stay?
Yo, the party are going buzzing. But me ask a question, why Ochi?
We'll have the best weekend ever. So we'll put some of the best parties together. I'll bring a different experience on the Independence weekend, and it's something we plan to do every year.
Hello, Intense.
Right now, international standard everywhere, the Spanish, English talk to me, what going on?
Yes. Muy bien, está la fiesta super chida aquí, Jamaica. Very good. We enjoy a lot this party. We enjoy Jamaica and Jamaican guys too. It's very intense though.
Right now, fully, yo, the sun hot. But
The sun hot enough, but the party hotter, and me hotter.
you hear that? She fully intense, now it's sun attack. Nah, man.
I'm young and ratchet, rock high fashion, my Glock 40.
I want you guys to look out for the best weekend ever. That's happening again, Independence weekend.
Right now, the best weekend ever, Jamaica Beach. But right now, we are left out. You see me, part art still a go on, but we are check out.
Look out for our Best Weekend Ever 2023 highlights next week. Now it's time for the Intense 5. So, Skeng always goes above and beyond in his performances. Not only did he drink champagne from his shoe, he also set his drum set on fire. And the drummer kept on drumming. Never a dull moment with Skeng, I'm just saying. Guess what sold out? Yup, the $1.5 million Skyview suites for the Chris Brown concert. Yup, all gone. Just in case you were planning on getting one, no more no dede, okay? Serious times. So, earlier this week, Cardi B was performing at a nightclub. She said she was hot and asked to be sprayed with water. Well, one concert goer threw a cup of water. So Cardi B didn't really take that lightly and sailed her microphone after the girl. Anyways, the person is now suing Cardi and the microphone has reached an auction price of $85,000. That's actually insane. Huge big up to the Sunshine Girls who made it through to the next round of the Netball World Cup qualifiers. So happy for them. Go girls! And finally holding the spot this week, Jamaica, boom! The Reggae girls have made it through to the round of 16 in the FIFA Women's World Cup. So they have made history as the first female Caribbean team to do this, okay? Holiday we say, I'm just saying, right? We need one, quick and fast. But congrats girls, I'm so excited and happy for you. But that's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Kibi chats with Sanjay. We'll soon forward.